Pendant on Topanga is a brand new apartment community in Canoga Park, Los Angeles, near Warner Center, with studio, one- and two-bedroom homes at 7322 Topanga Canyon Blvd. The kitchen scene highlights the Stainless Energy Appliance Package, full-size refrigerator, quartz countertops, and designer fixtures listed for Pendant on Topanga residences. The bedroom scene supports the open-concept floor plans, including studio, 1D key, and two-bedroom layouts available near Warner Center. In the living room, Pendant on Topanga features central heating and air conditioning, a smart thermostat, and private balcony options. This residence view pairs in-unit washer and dryer convenience with Euro-style cabinetry, premium plank flooring, and ambient lighting. For leasing details, Pendant on Topanga lists 7322 Topanga Canyon Blvd, Canoga Park, California 91303, pendantontopanga.com, and 855-856-7541.